Let's make a super easy sheet pan dinner. Greek chicken and potatoes. It has tender bites of chicken breast, baby potatoes, and lemon. It's all cooked on one sheet pan with the most delicious Greek marinade. Then we drizzle it with this amazing honey lemon tahini sauce. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we'll cut up 2 pounds of small potatoes into bite-sized pieces and add them into a large bowl. Next, I'll slice up 3 cloves of garlic very thinly. Now I'll take half a large red onion and cut that into chunks. Now I'll switch to my cutting board for raw meat and cut up 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast into strips. Cut 1 lemon into wedges and squeeze the juice into the bowl with the potatoes, onion, and chicken. Throw the lemon wedges in there too. Add a big pinch of kosher salt and 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Add 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Toss all that together so every bit is coated in the marinade. Add the marinated ingredients to a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Cover loosely and place in a 425 degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the honey lemon tahini sauce. First, we'll need the juice of 1 lemon. Add that to a bowl with half a cup of tahini, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1 crushed garlic clove. Stir that so it's completely mixed and then add water a bit at a time until it's thin and pourable. How much you add depends on how thick your tahini and yogurt are. I ended up adding about a half cup of water, but you might need more or less. Cover and keep refrigerated until the chicken is done. After 30 minutes, remove the sheet pan and add 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese and 2 teaspoons of dried crushed rosemary. That goes back in the oven for a final 15 minutes. And here it is out of the oven. Let it sit for just a minute so the chicken can absorb every bit of lemon juice. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley. Drizzle the honey lemon tahini sauce over the whole thing. For tonight's dinner, I'll be serving this Greek chicken with some warmed flatbread and a freshly made Greek salad. Video link in description. We have also eaten this chicken in a flatbread with some chopped cucumber and tomatoes and a big dollop of tzatziki, kind of like a gyro. Let me know in the comments how you would eat it. You can find the link to the full printable recipe in the description box below. Hey, if you like this video, please do me a favor and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. Here are a couple of other Greek-inspired dishes you might like to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!